Hey guys, welcome back to Fun with the Glitter Family.
My name's Rory.
And my name's Reed.
Today is gonna be probably like a really messy video. My grandma's gonna come in, my grandpa. So yeah, it's gonna be kind of crazy. But if you guys didn't hear this, there is a slime bash coming up in Miami, and we're actually in Florida now. So,
Yay!
and we're gonna be attending it. There's gonna be a bunch of YouTubers there, and we're just gonna do slime trades.
Make your own squishy, might look like pickle.
And stuff like that. So it's gonna be really fun. We're gonna see some other people, and yeah. So we decided that there's also like slime trades, and we wanted to participate. So she's making slime, I made slime, so I'm gonna just make a small one
I'm
to
just
trade.
filling the bottom of this from my slime, my first one. I'm making 2 more slimes after my first one. So I'm gonna make 3 slimes.
These are the slimes I've made so far. This is called 5-Star Macaroni. It's basically a yellow clear base slime with gold glitter, yellow glitter, and macaroni charms all over it. So yeah, my second slime is called Unicorn Dream, and it's basically just clear base slime with pink glitter and gold glitter, and I'm so excited. As you can see, I painted on the logo. Yeah. So what we're going to be using today is Tide, because we're actually in Florida, so we're at a resort and we don't actually have other things. A clear glue, and
My drink.
of course containers, and she has a knife to mix her, so my mom's going to get me a knife right now so we can...
Whoa, a knife? Okay.
You don't want a knife? Can I actually have a small spoon?
I have a straw.
Okay.
Guys.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yep. Is this from the garbage?
No.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna be mixing and making some slime. So Reed's gonna let me pour some glue first because she wants to make sure I can have some left over.
Well, that's good.
No.
Yeah, it is.
So
Oh, yeah, it's gonna leak you.
so I'm just
That's
gonna
good. That's
fill
good.
only
That's
the
good.
bottom
So.
of my container. Right there. So Reed can have some left. She basically has the same amount.
I had none yet, and she already those big slimes, so I'll leave some. Right.
And then the next ingredient I'm going to add is water. I like to add about, if it's this small, about like a lid of water. But for Reed's case, I would just dump some in.
I would add a little water. Like a few lids. What lid did you use? This?
No, I used the lid for the water originally. So I've mixed together my water and my glue, and if I wanted to color it, I would color it right now. Not feeling the coloring part.
I
So-
might color it with some glitter. Mom, can you send me your paints?
Tiny red.
So I'm gonna be making
Where
a
are
slime called,
Mom, can you get that out?
do you need the gold glitter, Reed?
Mm-hmm.
The liquid gold slime. It has these flakes in it, and it is a clear slime. Oh, my grandma and grandpa are coming in. We're filming YouTube videos, so it's gonna get loud in here, even though they're coming in. So yeah, they also, yeah. So
Remember to be quiet when making a YouTube video, okay?
So we also will be vlogging Slime Bash because that's gonna be fun for us. So.
I need baby blue paint.
So I'm going to be pouring my Thai right now,
My blue.
and you really don't need that much for this small
And
slime.
white.
Reed's making a baby blue ocean slime, I'm pretty sure.
Actually, do we have baby blue here?
We have this blue.
That's perfect. Actually, Mom, I don't need it.
Okay.
Yeah, guys.
Laura, you help with the paints if she needs
I will.
any.
It's very cringy right now because it's all like so messy, and because I'm in like a very small container.
Scissors?
We don't have scissors here.
Here, I'll open it.